In this video, I'm going to show you how to use content-aware fill in Photoshop, which basically fills an area that you select with the area that's nearby. So I'm going to use the lasso tool to select this balloon, and then go to Edit, Content-Aware Fill. And when I do, it gives me some options over here on my selection. I'm going to leave it as default for now, and you can see that it filled in the area with the blue sky, which was what was around the area. It's aware of the content. And then I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I'm going to go to fill this time, and instead of foreground color, I'm going to choose content aware. This gives you less options as far as selecting, but it does the same thing. You'll notice in the corner over here that it did leave a little bit of an edge where I selected it. So without the options that the regular content aware fill had, the computer will just kind of guess what the background should be. And since it was darker there in the corner, it did leave a line. So that would require further editing with some of the other tools that we'll get into later.